All right, get right into it. Show everybody what you got. Yes, I love it. So good.
Everybody's doing a brand new dance now.
Come on, baby, do the locomotion.
I know you're gonna like it. Give it a chance now.
Come on, baby, do the locomotion.
Do it like you need it now.
Take it to the next level.
Now, if I let you, how can I get you? Try to understand.
I was a different man.
I think I wanna tell you everything. I think I wanna give you all tonight. I think I wanna tell you everything.
I wonder what you're doing for the rest of your life. I wonder what you're doing for the rest of your life. Come on now. I wonder what you do. Wonder what you do. I wonder what you do for the rest of your life.
This is what awesome kids look like, everybody. High five on that. Some of you you didn't really do much, but I really enjoyed your presence. Some of you really were tearing it up here. I don't know what your future is, but it looks real good to me. Thank you so much for enjoying the stage and making the whole party that much better. Ladies and gentlemen, our rhythm section, please say hello to our drummer, Drew Scholes, and bass player, Hector Maldonado.